So now let's see how we can utilize the pen tool inside of Jamboard. So in order to utilize the pen tool, on the left hand side you can see pen is the option, and if I were to click on this, you can go around and then draw out according to how you like it. You can go around, make a tick mark right here, cross it out right here according to how you like. If you want to view more options within the pen tool, you can go around and click and hold this, and you can see that there's different types of pen that you can bring in. For example, you got marker, which allows you to draw some just like this, and you got the marker right here, just like a board marker. Then you got the highlighter, which has a type of like a transparency effect right here. And similarly, you can go around and then you can see there's brush, which gives you a brush-like option, as you can see right here. Similarly, you can select out different colors that you want to paint in. You can select blue, let's say for example, and then you got the blue marker, as you can see. You can go around over here, select green, you got the green marker over here. Similarly, you got white, you can also paint it out with white right here. And you don't see it because like there's just like the background is white itself. And then you got yellow right here. You can go around with yellow and then red, as you can see right here. So you can select out the pen right here, draw out accordingly, according to how you want. And that is how you can work around with the pen tool inside of Google Jamboard. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.